let's talk just a real quick snippet with, you got 301, 232 on foreign trade zones. Both of those items have said, or both of the announcements have basically said, is that we're paying that 301 almost no matter what, right? You can't really use the foreign trade zone to offset that. Now, what was interesting is some of that 232 that just went away in regards to Mexico, right? Is that what just came out? Is, well, maybe there is some opportunity to now not pay that. And it was almost, I don't know, luck of the draw than it was anything at that point.
Right. I don't know, as the Mexican I don't know that the Mexican deal has been finalized yet, has it?
Correct.
Right. But, in any event, to Adam's point, so, these for people that, haven't worked for foreign trade zones, you've got to designate the goods as a certain status before they go in.
Right.
You've got to give them either non-privileged foreign status or privileged foreign status, and that designation, or zone prohibited status, that designation dictates whether or not they can be removed from the foreign trade zone into the U.S. and what duty you'll pay. The way these laws are written, the 232 and the 301 laws, is that the designation you give to the goods when they go in the zone ties them to the 232 and the 301 duties. You can't beat the clock. You can't put them in there and then wait to take them out until these duties go away. They've gamed the system against you. You can't do that.
Right. Yeah. You're sticking those goods in privileged foreign status, which means you're kind of locking in that duty rate as the goods go into the zone. So in that scenario, we're out of luck. A lot of people have brought that up and said, I'm set up for a zone, but I haven't quite used it yet. I'm going to start now. And it's like, well, it's not really going to benefit the way you think it's going to benefit. Now, there are some other things that I don't think we probably have time to talk about as far as what those zones look like. I just wanted to bring up both like 232 and 301 in that conversation.